Have you ever worked all day long from morning until night, feeling busy, feeling productive, only to realize at the end of the day that you accomplished almost nothing important? Maybe you've tried working harder, waking up earlier, staying up later, drinking more coffee, pushing through the exhaustion, but you still feel like you're running in circles. You tell yourself, I'm just not disciplined enough. I need to work longer. I need to try harder. But what if I told you that a burned-out factory worker who was about to lose everything discovered one simple truth about the human brain that helped him build his own successful business? And this secret had nothing to do with working harder or working longer hours. Stay with me until the end, because this might change everything you know about work. His name was Marcus, 38 years old. Factory worker for 15 years. Every day, same routine. Wake up at 5 a.m., work until 6 p.m., come home exhausted. But Marcus had a dream. He wanted to start his own furniture business. He was talented with his hands, creative, hard-working. So every night after work, he'd go to his garage and try to build, try to design, try to make his dream real. But after 10 hours at the factory, his mind was foggy. His body was tired. He'd spend 3-4 hours in that garage and produce nothing he was proud of. Until one Saturday, everything changed. Marcus was at a small cafe, watching a carpenter working outside. The carpenter was building a beautiful wooden bench. But here's what Marcus noticed. The man worked intensely for about 90 minutes, focused, precise, no wasted movement. Then he stopped, sat down, drank water, closed his eyes for 20 minutes. Then back to work. Another 90 minutes of perfect focus. Marcus was confused. Why does he keep stopping when the work is going well? So Marcus walked over and asked, and the old carpenter said something that sounded like madness. Young man, your hands can work for 10 hours, but your mind can only create for 90 minutes, the carpenter explained. He learned this from his father, who learned it from his father. The human brain works in cycles, 90 minutes of deep focus, then it needs rest to recharge. If you keep pushing after 90 minutes, he said, you're not working, you're just tired. Marcus decided to test this, and what happened changed his entire life. The next evening, Marcus went to his garage, but instead of working for 4 scattered hours, he set a timer. 90 minutes, one project, complete focus. No phone, no music, no distractions. Just him and the wood. After 90 minutes, he stopped, even though he wanted to continue. He rested for 20 minutes, walked outside, breathed. Then came back for one more 90-minute session. In 3 hours, he created a coffee table better than anything he'd made in months. He couldn't believe it. 6 months later, Marcus quit the factory. His custom furniture business was making more money than his factory job ever did, and he was working fewer hours. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Long hours don't create success. Focused hours do. Your brain is not designed to focus for 8, 10, 12 hours. It's designed to focus intensely for 90 minutes, then rest, then focus again. When you fight this natural rhythm, you waste time and energy. When you work with it, you unlock a power you didn't know you had. The power of 90 minutes. Try this just once, and you'll see the difference. Because the gap between where you are and where you want to be isn't more time, it's 90 minutes of real focus. If this story helped you, share it. And remember, work smarter, not longer. Your brain already knows the secret. Now you do too. See you in the next story.